Okay, hello everyone. This is July 26, 2012, and I am releasing my new JayExtension indicator. We're offering a 3-day free trial for anyone that does not have the J cluster already. This is a new indicator that I have developed, and it strictly looks for major tops and major bottoms in all markets, and the dots will be a buy dot, which is a blue buy dot that will pop up, or a red sell dot. It's going to be strictly a dot-based system, and it works for all markets right across the board. I will be having a conference call for this strategy next Wednesday for traders that do not own the J cluster already, and because J cluster owners, you will get this free as an add-on. For any of those traders that do not have J cluster already, you can get this indicator for a 3-day free trial for NinjaTrader. And you must email us at symmetryindicators@hotmail.com. Send us your machine ID. You must attend next week. We have a conference call Wednesday, August 1st, 2011 at 5 p.m. This is for all new traders that do not own J cluster at all. We're having a conference call that's going to go over this indicator for you. How to trade it, where to place your entry, exact entry, exact stop, exact exit strategies will be given. So let's go over this a little bit further. It's called the JayExtension indicator. It's strictly a dot-based system. What I have found is on the release of J cluster, we've been having great success with J cluster on buying and selling the 1.618s on major support and major resistance, especially with trend on trend pullbacks. The 414, 618s were great on oil again today, but I had a lot of members of the or owners of the J cluster that wanted an indicator that's a strictly dot-based system. They really wanted a dot-based system where dots will pop up and they look for red dots for sells or blue dots for buys strictly, and not really worrying about the 1.618 extension on support and resistance. They wanted to find out where's the highest probability trade for a possible top or possible bottom, and that's why I developed this indicator. What this indicator does is it looks at the top major extensions, Fibonacci extensions. It looks for confluence of those top major extensions. And I eliminated all the other small extensions involved in Fibonacci trading. I only took the top extensions, and I want a confluence of those extensions, two times confluence, 3 times confluence, etc. I'll be playing this video right now at 3 times confluence on oil today. And I came up with this indicator to show you exactly how to find major tops and major bottoms in all markets. So what this indicator will do is a blue dot will pop up for buys, red dot will pop up for sells. Only a few dots will pop up with this type of indicator, okay? You're not going to get a lot of dots pop up during the day. You can use Market Analyzer with this. So Market Analyzer, you can pop it in there, and when the dot does pop up, it will pop up on Market Analyzer for you. So that's a cool thing about this also, is you can run multiple markets, look for major tops and major bottoms on 16, 17, 18 different markets if you want to. And it'll only tell you when the major high probability high or low is in the market on all of them, right across the board. And it's really cool with the Market Analyzer that we have for this. You will know the exact entry to look for after Market Analyzer comes up, or the chart. You'll know the exact stop. You'll know the exact strategy or exit strategy, and I'll be giving this on the conference call. Now, if you do not own the J cluster, you can try this indicator out for 3 free days. Okay, there's no obligation. Just try it out, see if it works on the market that you like to trade. This is crude oil that I will be playing today. I thought I'd give you recent data on dots that happened live today, and I'm going to play this for you in 1 second. But you have to email us at symmetryindicators@hotmail.com. That's symmetryindicators@hotmail. Just say I like the free day 3 trial. Here's my machine ID. Include your machine ID. And what we'll do is you have to attend the conference call, though, next Wednesday, August 1st. Gerald will send it out. So once you email us your machine ID, okay, for a 3-day free trial, okay, Gerald will start programming that for you. And as soon as the conference call is done, at the end of Wednesday, August 1st, it'll take 1 hour from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. After we go out over for 1 hour, what we'll do is we'll send out the indicator for you and just try it out for 3 days, okay? And that's it. All right, I'll show you the exact entry, how to enter when the dot pops up. I'm going to show you the exact stop. I'm going to show you the exact time frames that I like to use on some of them. and then I'll show you the exact exit strategies also will be given at that time. If you're a JCluster owner, no reason to email us. I'm going to tell you this again. If you already own JCluster, do not email us at symmetryindicators@hotmail. You are automatically on the list of the purchase list. You do not need to email us at all. This is only for new trials and need to email us at Symmetry Indicators. JCluster owners do not need emails. You will automatically be sent out after next Thursday's call. Next Thursday's call is for owners of JCluster. We will go over exact entry strategies. We'll go over stops, exit strategies, and we'll go over time frames using this indicator. I will run several different markets, and I will show you exactly how the dot has performed in July. Okay. So JCluster owners, you will get this automatically as a free add-on. If you do not own JCluster, okay, this is an indicator you can get by itself for 3 free days. All right, so make sure we're clear on that. 3-day free trial. You have to email us at symmetryindicators@hotmail. Once we get that, your email, Jerry will send out a password for Wednesday, August the 1st. And what we'll do is you can come in August 1st for about 1 hour, and I'll show you exactly how to trade the system on all markets. Blue dot for buys, red dot for sells, and then you'll have it for 3 live trading days. This is only used for major tops and major bottoms in the market. Okay, this has nothing to do with anything else. Okay, this actually can be a standalone system if you need it to be. So I will go over that next week. JCluster owners, you'll get it already. Now I'm going to play today's strategy. Okay, we'll put on 500 times here so we can get through this. And what the dot's going to do, as you can see, we're ticking here live. Okay, the dot's going to come up. Now when the dot pops up, I'm going to show you the exact entry. Okay, let's move this over here for you. I'm going to show you the exact entry. When the dot pops up, there's going to be exact entry to pop in the trade. I'll stop it after these dots pop up for longs. It had really 3 back-to-back trades. Here's a dot that popped up. The entry was this third green bar here, which I'll go over in the conference call. But as you can see, the market rallied a real quick 40 ticks almost immediately right after the dot popped up. As we move through, you see we have no other lines confusing you. No other Fibonacci's are popping up. This is strictly high probability extensions. See these 3 extensions or high probability extensions. The entry here is this third red bar. I'll show you how to enter that at the conference call. That's another 40 tick slide to the downside here in a second. So when the dot pops up, there's certain entry criteria that you want to get. Here's another entry that you won't enter till the third green bar right here at this level. This actually rallies over up almost 50 ticks also. So we'll stop this here in a second. I know it's going fast for you. But the bottom line is I'm going to show you where the entries are. You can see we rallied all the way up, never broke the low. We rallied up on this one up to 50s, up to the 50s right there. Right there's your 50s. Now let me skinny this down. Okay, let me take this off here. All right, let's just look at these 3 trades. If you look, this is a major bottom. We don't have tons of lines popping up through here. We're just looking for major lows and major highs. Caught this major high, caught this major low, and caught this major low. Now, I'd run the whole session for you, but we're going to try to put this out to everybody under 10 minutes. We're at 7 minutes already. But the bottom line, I just want to show you how this works. Here's the blue dot for the entry. Here's the red dot for the short. Here's the blue dot for the entry. Now, the entry technique on these, which I'll show you in the conference call, which is more defined, I'll show you. The entry technique was here. And that popped right there long. Beautiful trade to the upside. Okay, huge move to the upside right there. Huge move to the downside. Here's your sell signal here. Just because the dot pops up, I'm going to show you an entry technique. This dot was not a sell. You got a sell there. Okay, and then we had another one that popped up here long right here. This is not a long according to my criteria. I'll show you how to enter it. And the long was right here with the small stop. So I'm going to show you where the small stops are right here. And then the market moved up huge to the upside on that one too. So you had a 240s and a 50 ticker with a small stop just based upon these 3 signals. And like I said, this works on all markets. It's designed to pick major tops, major bottoms. Okay? So we are running out of time here. If you want to review this video to find out where the email is that you need to send if you are a free trial, let me get this for you real quick again. You have to email us here if you want to get the free trial on the indicator for 3 days. There it is. Okay, and we will. You have to attend the conference call next Thursday, and Gerald will send that to you. Symmetry indicators at hotmail.com. All J cluster owners will be getting it next Wednesday for trials. Next Thursday will be for J cluster owners at 5 p.m. and I'll go over the strategy. Okay? Everybody have a great night. And then I will see you next week if you're a trial the indicator next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you then for 1 hour. You can try out for 3 days. And if you are a J cluster owner, I'll see you next Thursday at 5 p.m. and we'll go over it then. All right, everybody have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.